1. MIRO, an acronym for Marine Intelligence Robot, is a biomimetic fish produced by the South Korean company AIRO Inc. equipped with 2 motors and 4 distance measurement sensors. This little fish can swim in all directions, avoid obstacles and dive to depths of up to 50 meters. Pretty MIRO is becoming something of a tourist attraction, because of her colorful scales and occasional publicity stunts like swimming with sharks. Two. Robugtix T8X is the ultimate robo-toy. This big bug is rechargeable, programmable and wireless enabled, which allows users to control its 26 leg motors remotely. T8X comes in smooth and hairy versions, and either can be yours for a mere $950. This beast may not be able to climb walls like a real spider, but it can certainly cut a rug.
Just fragments of a world where your absence all they get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up.
3.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Kidding.
Bionic Bird, an Indiegogo-funded project, simulates natural flight within a 100-meter range so well that it is virtually indistinguishable from real birds even by other birds. This is due to a flexible gray foam body and anatomically correct face. This bird flies at 12 miles per hour on independent wings that beat 18 times per second, a faster wing speed than a majority of bird species have. The best part, the portable leg-shaped recharger that powers this bird's ultralight battery. 4. AIRO from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, has a salamander's articulated vertebrae, which lets it easily traverse tough terrain. Thanks to a waterproof exterior and body parts, AIRO is equally at home underwater just like the real-life lizards this bot was based on. All this, combined with a sophisticated neural network and the individually controllable joints, means this slithering amphibian is a prime candidate for supporting search and rescue missions. And he has his own Twitter account. Five. AIRO's patented liquid muscles and hose-like body of synthetic aramid fiber Kevlar brand aramid is used to make bulletproof vests enable streamlined movement through the water. Another true-to-nature feature is the swim bladder, an organ possessed by certain species of fish such as the Atlantic cod. 6. Scorpion hexapod, developed by 3 Belgian university students, has 3D printed body parts affixed to a plastic plate main body. The robot moves multidirectionally and navigates around obstacles using infrared sensor technology. The stinger works like a real scorpion, and the red pin tip stinger completes the effect.
She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
7. Aquajelly's movements are just as mesmerizing as the real deal. LED lights and 8 tentacles make up the robot's exterior, while a lithium-ion battery, navigation system, 2 motors and a variety of sensors control movement and enable Aquajelly to respond to changes in power supply as well as the external environment. Eight.
When the night is over.
Elum was created in Norway as a cost-effective solution for conducting underwater repairs and maintenance. Elum can perform simple subsea tasks including illuminating dark, hard-to-reach areas, cleaning and adjusting hardware.
My life is over. 'Cause I start thinking again about our time together.
Nine. Spot Mini has a 55-pound dog-like body with a long dinosaur-like neck and head. Mini's interesting design allows it to keep its head stationary while moving its body below. Its mouth is so sensitively calibrated that it can lift a glass from the sink and put it in the dishwasher without breaking it. Distance calculating cameras and a gyroscope let Spot Mini run with the big dogs, including its predecessor Spot.
Turn it on.